Hi, I'm Lily from Merino Vino, and because I don't have a taller phone stand, I'm at an awkward angle, but that's okay. So I've been doing some spinning tutorials this summer, and one I showed you was about this roving that I have that took like the strength of Thor to pull it. And you can see it's like not budging when I pull, and I had to like, make it wider and to try to pull it out a little bit so it was easier to spin, especially since I like spinning kind of like a fingering weight yarn in the end, or sports weight yarn in the end. Sports weight. You can tell I'm a little tired. Anyhow, so one of my friends, she's actually the mother of one of my former students who just graduated, makes me sad. But anyhow, she also is into the fiber arts, and she saw a video of someone dealing with the same brand who couldn't draft it. And the trick was boiling a pot of water, a kettle of water, and putting the roving over the steam that would then help it draft. So I have an electric kettle downstairs, but I wasn't sure if it would be a wide enough mouth to do this. So I just grabbed a small pot. There's just water in it. Let's see if I can move this a little bit. Sorry, I don't mean to make anyone dizzy, but you can see there's like small bubbles, so it's going to be, pretty hot soon. It is hot. There's a little bit of steam coming up. You can see our backyard. It's monsoon season, which is kind of nice. I don't know if you can see the clouds. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on top. I think I need it to be hotter. It's like right over the steam right now. Still nothing right now. Granted, that was boiling water. But man, if this helps relax fiber, and in the video it was really cool because you could see the fiber literally like get bigger or wider. And I know it's like really backlit. Let's see if I close this curtain a little bit. Would that help with visuals? I just don't want the curtain to like burn. It doesn't really help. I'll give you guys at least a good view or a decent view. Even though it's kind of backlit, the color is not the most important thing right now. So, because I just finished a spin job, or a yarn spinning job, and let's turn up the heat. We're on max now, so hopefully that speeds things up. So I'm ready to start spinning more yarn. So I'm not sure if you guys can see the steam. I do. I'm holding it here. Still nothing for relaxing. I'm just putting it over. The roving is getting, oh, don't get wet. I just dipped it in the water. Don't know what effect that'll have. Nothing. But can you see the steam? You can see the steam. Okay, this might be one of those videos where you start to fast forward it to see what happens.
Hey, my name is Jen, and
my daughter's here too.
you know how my mom does? She makes it extra beautiful. Like this one is a soft pink, and I have this is one of my all-time favorite ones.
Here, let me put it in front of the camera so they can see it.
This is one of my all-time favorite ones. It has sparkles on it. It has purple, red, and pink, and brown. And it's like the foot. It's beautiful, and you can make some as the same, just like so.
Do you remember how you dyed that with snow, Jen?
Dad, I know that. I know that. Okay. Hey, so
This was in the same dye pot as that last one.
this one is sparkly, and it has brown, pink, purple, and blue, and brown. That's how many colors it has. And
My daughter is starting to amass her own yarn collection. I'm trying to teach her to knit. She's only 4.5. But you already showed them that one.
This, I know, but I'm just telling them about the blue. So this one has a little bit of blue, and the other one has more blue about them. So
Okay, now it's really steaming. Let's see. Maybe you do need a kettle. Maybe you need like more.
this is orange and red. It has a little bit of white.
She dyed all of these with Kool-Aid so far.
And it's the most beautiful list. And oh my god, dye is beautiful. This is called a unicorn yarn. It has.
They haven't seen this one yet. This one's not for sale yet, but it's made with alpaca from northern Arizona. It's a beautiful boucle.
Yeah.
And has some sparkle in it, but my daughter, she helped me dye it, and she wanted one skein.
It has blue, purple, green, I think, and some yellow.
Yes.
This is all the colors this one has, and there's only 3 more left, people.
Only 3 more left. Huh. Oh, careful.
Sorry, guys.
It's okay. I'm one of those people that when I organize one thing, everything else becomes disorganized. I don't know if anyone else is like that. Oh my gosh, guys, it's working. I don't know if it's because I was pulling a lot in that area, but that just started to draft pretty easily.
Yeah, and this is the mermaid effect. It has beautiful skeins. It has purple and a little bit of color, pink and turquoise and purple. I think it's pretty good in condition.
So you guys can probably see the steam coming.
Yeah. And this is the Halloween color.
She dyed this at school. We did a little yarn dyeing with Kool-Aid in her classroom last year.
Yeah, and it
because they were learning about primary and secondary colors.
And it has purple and orange. So that means the purple is for night because the sky at night is purple, and that's why I put a purple and orange on it. So the orange is for the pumpkin. And last one is this one. It's made of white, purple, and red. It's only the favorite one. It's beautiful and starred with beautiful hair.
Yarn or fiber. My daughter loves dyeing yarn, so if you are in the Flagstaff area or Phoenix or even Tucson, you don't want to drive up and have your kids dye some yarn?
Yeah.
I'm your woman. My daughter can help too.
Yeah, I'm the princess of the yarn. My mom's the queen of the yarn. What do you think about that, Mama?
I think that's awesome. Although I think
Mom,
some other...
you're spitting out of your belly.
No, I'm not. Okay, so it looks like the steam method may work.
Mom, is this yours?
Yeah, I dyed that.
Whose is it for?
I don't remember what I used it for, but you can see there's a lot left.
Yes, I love this yarn. And Mama Mom, are you going to let me keep the rest or?
Sure. My daughter likes to keep a lot of yarn.
You're right about that. I love yarn all the time.
So if you're thinking about becoming a yarn dyer and you have kids at home, be careful what you wish for. Your yarn stash may be in peril.
Yeah, you might want too much yarn. Way too much yarn for you, Mama dear. You have hundreds of yarn, Mama dear. Give some away.
Okay, so this method is working, but it is kind of slow. I'm not sure which method is faster. If it's faster to like get this basically steamed, or I didn't dye that yarn. I bought that from someone. I thought it was really pretty though.
Is it gonna be kept?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it and make something with it. This is called French Lavender, and I got this from a waffle sale. If you want to join the group on Facebook, Wool and Fiber Arts, it's from Sheridan Farms.
It's in beautiful color. It has
And
lots of color.
I just loved the colors in there.
And Yeah.
I don't know what I'm going to make with it though, Jen.
The pile of my pile is for the beautiful pile. You can put your beautiful yarn in my beautiful Jenny pile.
Okay.
Because it's only for beautiful yarns I can buy.
Now, do you guys buy yarn because it's pretty or because you have a project in mind?
Yeah, make something beautiful in your mind.
Or with your hands, right, Jen? I'm just doing one more segment. I'm not sure what I think because this is taking, well, it's really starting to boil now. So I'm just wondering, is this worth the time or not to steam it? I guess it depends on your preference. Do you want to steam it and not fight it? Or do you want to take the time to like pre-draft it? Like, what do you enjoy more? I think that's what this comes down to. But again, maybe if I had a kettle with a smaller hole for the steam to come out, maybe it would be faster than just an open pot. I thought with this, I could do more yarn at the same time. In fact,
Who dyed this yarn?
that was from Ellen, and she owns Zephyr Creek Farms. Yeah. So I'm in the Woolen Fiber Arts group on Facebook. It was created by Ellen. I think her last name is Zawanda. I think that's how you pronounce
Mom,
it.
I have to say something to you.
Okay.
It's not about the video. You can put your favorite yarns, and I can make your own favorite yarn beautiful pile. Cause I'm gonna make my own beautiful rainbow yarn.
My stash might be too big to make one pile with it, Jen.
Stash.
Yeah, that means how much yarn I have. But anyhow, Ellen Zawanda created the Woolen Fiber Arts Festival, which is a virtual festival pretty much every month on Facebook. It's free to attend, and it really supports local farmers and ranchers and indie dyers and makers all over the United States. It's a really kind, warm, and welcoming community. Lots of spinners, and I just highly recommend it. I love the camaraderie in the fiber community. I've found it to be a really warm and welcoming place, and I hope you guys have too.
Can we dye some rainbow yarn and one skein for me, because all the yarn that I dye I think is very beautiful, and I just want to keep one skein.
I know you always want to keep one skein. Anyhow, this is not your typical YouTube video for me since I'm talking to my daughter. Okay, I undid that. It is helping a little bit, but I don't know. I think this might be taking too long for my taste. But maybe if you're having a bad day and you want to take out your anger, as I said, steaming or pulling, it is working. I'm just not sure, like, is it working enough? Fun fact, the boiling point in Flagstaff is lower than when you're at sea level. Although, I feel like you guys have been watching me watch a pot of water boil, which is probably the most boring thing. Anyhow, if you try this experiment and it works better for you, let me know. I might be doing it wrong. Maybe you need a kettle, or maybe you like pre-drafting. Let me know, and yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. I'll probably finish this skein though, because, or not skein, this undone braid, because I already started the water, so might as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think and if you're gonna try it or if you've tried it. Again, this is Lily from Merino Evino. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments below you know, how you like to pre-draft your fiber and any other comments you had while watching this video. Thank you.